Welcome to One Greenway. Located within the luxury resort of Quinta do Lago, One Greenway is a gated community that prioritizes the well-being of its residents while offering luxury and comfort throughout. I'm Sandra.
I'm Sam.
I'm Fred from Mapro Night Frame.
Let us show you around. Let's get situated. One Greenway offers 3 distinct types of properties. You have the Horizon Residences, which range from 4 to 6 bedroom villas, and then you have both the garden and the panoramic apartments, which range from 3 to 4 bedrooms. Starting with the Horizon Residences, the villas take high-spec comfort living and 21st century living to new heights. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, a chef and a butler's kitchen, a golf locker room, a private home office, a wine cellar, a cinema room and a private roof terrace accessible by lift.
As Sam mentioned, there are first and ground floor apartments available. Let me show you the ground floor.
The garden residences are 3 and 4 bedroom apartments, and as the name suggests, these benefit from their very own private garden, with fitted outdoor kitchens, diverse shaded seating areas, and a mature planting curated by international landscape experts Trackman. These apartments also include a lower level with cinema room and a home office.
Thank you, Fred. Let me show you the first floor apartments. These 3 and 4 bedroom properties' main feature is the rooftop terrace with a private heated swimming pool, and as the name indicates, panoramic views over the Gulf and lake. These apartments include underground parking accessible by lift. One Greenway offers outstanding facilities, including a 1,500 square meter clubhouse, providing reception, concierge, owner's lounge, business center, beauty salon, and kids area. Another incredible amenity is the fitness center, with Trackman golf simulator, a high-tech gym, 2 paddle courts, sauna and spa, plus a jogging and fitness track. Not to mention the communal pool, bar, and on-site restaurant. Do you even need to leave?
If you would like to get more information or acquire a property in this unique gated development, please contact us directly. Thank you for watching.